conocí y este gancho que yo caí.
Oh, bro got some skills. Hi. Okay. So I'm back again in Dominica, where I can sense Miss Yelling La Mas Viral. She has given me or us a new song. And I'm excited, bro. I was waiting. I was waiting and waiting and waiting. But today, it is not she only. I guess there's a guy called ADONI. Right, ADONI. And the song that they both will do, it is called You Know Olvido. So that is what I'll be reacting to. You Know Olvido. I want to see what this guy, ADONI, is capable of. And I already knew what La Mas Viral is capable of. So, with this being said, let's blaze the place with some flames, my G's. Let's go.
Ven pa' que te pegue con una loca de verdad. Lomi, lomi. Ay.
Okay, so another unique instrumental. And we all knew what YAILIN is capable of. Right? And once she starts like this, oh yes. And I do love how the room looks so good with everything displayed in that room with YAILIN in it. Very good. Very good, my bro.
Yo no olvido, por mi madre yo no olvido. Yo no olvido, por mi madre yo no olvido. Y hoy te toca.
Yo no olvido, por mi madre yo no olvido.
Ring him up! Ring him up! Anything YAILIN touches, it turns to gold. Whenever time she sings with another person who is very unknown to me clearly, they're gonna get a lot of traction, bro. And to see this, I'm really and truly excited. Like, bars!
Por mi madre yo no olvido, por mi madre yo no olvido.
Que yo no sirvo, tú tampoco. Pégame cuerno.
Who is this dude? What is his deal? Why is he around my Dominican woman? Oh no, bro. Stay far from her, bro. We're gonna fight. We're gonna darn fight, bro. I'll blaze my fire on you, man. But I'm just here to support her, bro. Like, oh my god, I'm jealous. I'm jealous, man.
Y te pego otro. Y ese bulto tú estás roto. Con esa olla, a chepa no te boto. Y que
Hi. She's as gorgeous as ever. Yeah, she's as gorgeous as ever. And the purple dress fits her well. I hope this guy compliment her and tell her that this dress suits her very well.
¿Y qué te pasa a ti? Ay, yo soy tu mai y no te parí. Una mirada y te voy a partir.
Okay, so I guess these two are now partners. And she's singing with him and he's singing to her. Okay, so I guess it's a love momentum. Yo, bro, bro, just please take care of her, man. Like, you gotta do so, bro. You gotta do so. You gotta do that, man. You gotta do that.
Te pone loco y te da pa' mí. Te sofoca, si sabes que otro me choca. Me quedo con los dos, no sé pa' qué me provoca. Yo soy tu perdición, me dice
Music! Music! Hey, you see Yailin, bro? She's just so peculiar when it comes on to her music, her delivery, her style, and you know what she puts forth into the world. Very enchanting to listen to look at, and it's a big entertainment for me. I'm loving the vibe. I'm feeling entertained by her.
loca y ven, que hoy te toco. Yo no olvido, por mi madre yo no olvido. Ay, yo no olvido, por mi madre yo no olvido. Que hoy te toco.
Yo no olvido.
Okay, so the bro is now started, so let's see what he can do.
Por mi madre yo no olvido. Por mi madre yo no olvido. Por mi madre yo no olvido. Lo vamos a bregar con loca, pero tú eras normal cuando te conocí. Y este gancho que yo caí.
Oh, bro got some skills. Bro got some skills. Yeah, the vibe can now proceed.
Cuando te dejes te vas a arrepentir. Maldita loca.
I love it, bro. I love it. I love the way he's just coming forth, you know, giving his side towards it, and he's doing sweet. He's doing sweet. Trust me.
La para, tú la vas a sentir. Y a mí nadie me sofoca. Yo vivo la vida loca. Tú priven guapa, pero no me de boca. Yo no cojo lucha, yo no soy la roca. Está loca por dejarme, pero no te equivocas.
Oh! Ah! Ra, ra! Yes, a definite sweet song. These artists are killing it. They are killing it. Oh my goodness. I ain't gonna lie, bro looks so neat as fuck, bro. And you know, it's a perfect match for Yailin because you know she dressed well as well. So, you know, it's a code. It's a code. It's a code.
Yo no olvido, por mi madre yo no olvido. Ay, yo no olvido.
Okay, so she's not gonna lay in bed with him. Come on, Yailin. I can't look up this. I can't, bro. Like I just can't, man. I can't look, bro. I can't look. I can't look. And bro, please do not stress this female out, bro. You should know better. Please do not stress her out, bro.
Por mi madre yo no olvido. Maldito loco.
Yo no olvido. Por mi madre yo no olvido. Por mi madre yo no olvido. Por mi madre yo no olvido.
Hold on, are they having an argument? Because it's too sudden to get an argumentative situation at their feet. No, it doesn't worth it, man.
Huyelo, pantera, que parezca un crimen, que vos te pile sangre.
Pantera, esta historia continuará.
Wow, I gotta say, extraordinary music. Lovely that she can carry out any person on the forefront and they can deliver. I love it. I love it. She always making sure that her delivery of the artists are always finished excellently.
Hoy yo estoy viendo borroso y ando con los hierros encima. ¡Yay! Yo no olvido. Págame los 200 que me debe, coño.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Yailin is as firm as the rock of Gibraltar. Her looks is as gorgeous as sunlight. And her skin is just so pure. Like a baby's powder. Damn.
Cállate, Adoni. Que tú no eres que sabes, coño. Ah, pues yo soy una loca, ¿Ah?
¡ADONI!
Well done, Yarlin. Well done. I gotta say, you always making sure that your delivery is well done and you have outdone yourself again. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another Yelling reaction. So peace.